Hey guys, welcome back to Green Tea Garden. In this video today I'm going to show you guys how to harvest your sugar baby watermelon, and how to tell when is the perfect time and how to tell when it's ripe. So there's a lot of myth behind picking a watermelon. I know some people said when they have like a yellow spot on the side. Some said when the leaf next to it is yellow, it's good, or if you knock on it, if it's hollow or something like that, it's good. But today guys, I'm gonna show you the one thing that actually works, I think, because I did harvest one sugar baby watermelon before when it had a yellow side on the patch. I actually was turning it and it broke off, and when I cut it in half, it was not ready. I'm gonna show you the one clue to look for, and I'm gonna cut it and we're gonna put it to the test, guys. All right guys, so if you look, my garden has been attacked. It's been getting attacked by bugs, all different bugs right now. If you look right here, I have two sugar baby watermelon. Today we're gonna look at this guy on the right side right here. I do have a pumpkin and a squash plant that's literally just running, and it's like taking over my whole garden. So this is my sugar baby watermelon right here. You see it's a perfect size. The thing is about this one, it's not a lighter green, it's a darker solid green. My main thing, what I'm gonna tell you, first of all, if you look at my watermelon right here, you come down to the tip part right here. Right here guys, this curly tendril right there that comes through it, it's brown. You see that? So that's the sign to let you know your sugar baby watermelon is ready. Coming from your watermelon, come all the way down. The first one, your tendril is brown right there. So that's brown, and that's a sign right there. That's a sign right there. It's ready. Normally, some people will wait till it fall off, but if it's brown like this, we're gonna put it to the test anyway. Brown or not, we're gonna cut this guy. So we're gonna look for the other sign that when you turn it over, if we have that yellow patch, yep, and we do. So that's the yellow patch, and then we have the brown tendril. Always recommend a pruner, very sharp, or a scissors. And basically you could come close and cut it here, but what I like to do, I like to come all the way here first, snap that out, and then I come back like that. That's the yellow spot, what I'm talking about. So it's a yellow spot and the brown tendril, and we're gonna cut this right here on Green Tea Garden. I'm super excited, guys. I get super excited all the time. So if you're gonna harvest your sugar baby watermelon, you're gonna need a cutting board and you're gonna need a knife, guys. Please, warning, if you're gonna use a knife, and please make sure you're old enough and you can handle a knife. So remember guys, tendril is brown and yellow spot. Alright guys, so we're gonna do like one of those karate movies. So we're gonna come right here and see for our sugar baby watermelon. Voila! Did I say that right? Voila! So there you go guys. Brown tendril, a yellow spot on the side, gives you a red. It's not red, dark red, but it's a perfect red. So they are delicious, guys. Sugar baby watermelon are really delicious. And another tip I'll tell you guys, take out some seed, guys, and store it away. End of this video, I'm gonna leave one of my previous video. I show you guys how to store your seed. You could store it 1 to 3 years and you'll be fine. So I would recommend store your seed. And this I'm gonna cut up, I'm gonna give the kids, I'm gonna try a piece, and I'm gonna give my pet pig. He loves it. So guys, there you go, proof right there. I'm basically sweating right now. It's really hot. I do wear my favorite John Deere hat. It's my lucky hat in the garden. If you guys know, I always wear my John Deere hat. I have a lot of hats, but when it comes to Green Tea Garden, until I make a Green Tea Garden hat, I'm not gonna change this hat. So basically guys, look for the tendril next to the watermelon. Once it's brown, it's good. You turn it over. Even if you don't have that yellow spot, because some people will hang up their watermelon, will hang in like in a hammock or something, or put a cardboard. So sometimes if you don't even have that yellow spot and you just have the tendril brown, I say it's perfect time. As you guys could see, it's red. It's delicious, guys. And there you go. Easy. There's this is the best way to figure out if your watermelon is harvested. Because trust me, guys, I cut watermelon before that, and it's white. It's still delicious, but it was white. If you're new to my channel and you're the first time here, guys, please subscribe. It's 100% free, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, so as soon as I upload a video, you get it right away, and it might be a video to help you guys.